Hey there, I'm here for a quick show on another Sanrenmu knife, very good quality. So this is the Sanrenmu 6029 LUC-G stainless steel folding knife. Another one bought from fasttech.com. The SKU is 1493701. Okay guys, let's see this little knife. Okay, in the comparison wise, let's see the difference here. Okay, yeah, yeah, very different. Okay, so this is just 52 millimeters blade. Awesome knife, guys, awesome knife. I can tell you this is very easy and very good finish. Nice stainless steel. What can I say? G10 handle. This is very good folding knife, especially for the countries. You can't use a large blade, so you can't use like maybe you can use knives like this. Totally recommend this knife. Okay, so this is pretty much what I'm getting. Yeah, I received it today. That's why I'm still doing this to it open faster. Okay, bye guys.